Zombie apocalypse.
How to create thumbnails using AI tools. So in this video we are gonna learn how to create a thumbnail using AI and how to replace your face and how to enhance it. First we need to open ChatGPT and click on attach face symbol and click on upload from thumbnail and add the image which you want to generate prompt. After adding the image, there we need to type a prompt which I will show you. So you need to type explain this image and generate a detailed prompt so that ChatGPT will generate a prompt by describing your image. It takes some seconds to generate prompt. After generating, we need to copy the prompt which it was given. After that, we need to go to the website Ideogram where it generates AI images to us. So after clicking on the first link, it shows an place where we need to copy our prompt. So after pasting our prompt, we need to select aspect ratio, so 16:9, our YouTube ratio. So after that we need to generate images. It takes time, so I skipped that recording. So it generates these 5 images. So I want to select this image. After selecting this image, we should download it. Can download it in JPG as PNG is Pro. So after downloading it, we need to go to a website known as Remaker AI where it face swaps. After going to the AI Remaker website, there we should select top, you can see AI tools. After clicking on AI tools, there we should select face swap. So after that we should click on face swap and there you can see upload image and upload target image. So in upload image I am uploading the image generated by ChatGPT and target face MrBeast. So let's see how it generates. It generates an amazing thumbnail. After that we can download it in this way and or else download like this. So before after you can see that difference after upscaling it. So the difference is like this, before face swap and after face swap, and we can upscale our image in this same website. See the difference before and after. So guys, to enhance our photo we need to use several websites as shown here. There are so many websites present there, so whichever you want you can select and upscale your image. So guys, this is today's video and please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.